Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at the Orlando Pirates midfielders car collection. On number 1 we have Mona Pole Saleng. Pole drives a 2018 Volkswagen Polo. And on our number 2 we have Relebogile Mofokeng. Mofokeng drives a Volkswagen Polo GTI model 2024. And on our number 3 we have Patrick Maswangani, known as Tito. Tito drives an Audi A4 2018 model. And on our number 4 we have Zakele Lepasa. Zakele Lepasa drives a very nice BMW M4. And on our number 5 we have Tsagofatso Mabaso. Tsagofatso Mabaso drives a black BMW X3 M Sport, and sometimes he's seen driving a BMW M2 325i. And on number 6 we have Kabelo Dlamini Oyubatlakai, who drives a VW Volkswagen R-Line 2023 model. And on our number 7 we have Mohau Nkota. Mohau Nkota drives a new 2024 Polo Vivo. Then our last, which is number 8, we have Evidence Mokopa. Evidence Mokopa drives a very nice Golf 7R.